Nike RTFKT Cryptokicks IRL. To put it simply, the Nike RTFKT Cryptokicks IRL are not just shoes. They are the pinnacle of merging digital and physical style, enabled by blockchain and the metaverse. You may personalize your Nike RTFKT Cryptokicks IRL using tradable skin vials, then wear them in both the real world and the virtual one. In real life, Nike RTFKT Cryptokicks are not just desirable because of their fashionable and cozy design. They're the first NFT shoes that have a physical counterpart that can be redeemed through a procedure called forging. You may now wear the Nike RTFKT Cryptokicks IRL and be a part of shoe history. Don't pass on the chance to show the world who you are with a one-of-a-kind pair of Nike RTFKT Cryptokicks IRL. GAC Space Concept. You're invited to kick back and take in the sights on the go with the GAC Space Concept van, which is more like a mobile lounge. Hydrogen, the purest and most plentiful energy source in the cosmos, is used to power the device. It has an enormous waterfall-like lighting grille and a gull-wing door that opens to reveal an equally enormous and sumptuous interior. The cabin has an L-shaped sofa, swivel chairs, and a retractable steering wheel, all of which are styled after a traditional Chinese artwork of mountains and rivers. With Level 4 autonomy, the GAC Space Concept may take the wheel by itself, letting you devote your time to other pursuits. The GAC Space idea is the pinnacle of achieving peace with the environment, with technology and culture, and with one's own comfort and enjoyment. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck is a monstrous piece of machinery that seems to have been imported from another planet. Its stainless steel body features sharp edges that are resistant to both bullets and sledgehammers. It boasts a large, secure bed that can accommodate your equipment, spare tires, and even a cyberquad all-terrain vehicle. The truck's air suspension may be raised or lowered to improve accessibility and maneuverability off-road. It can go from 0, 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds, tow up to 14,000 pounds, and travel up to 500 miles on a single charge, all thanks to its 3 electric motors. The 17-inch touchscreen is used to operate the vehicle's autonomous navigation and multimedia systems. A solar roof upgrade can increase daily range by 15 miles. The Tesla Cybertruck is more than a vehicle, it's a proclamation. GAC Barchetta Concept. The GAC Barchetta Concept successfully marries modern technology with classic design. Its surface is perfectly flat and smooth, reflecting the surrounding environment and light without the need for a roof or windshield. It operates on the same principle as a big mobile phone, with a flattened chassis housing small batteries. Its body is a single piece of aluminum that keeps the weight down, and it has a waterfall-inspired illuminated grille. 2 comfortable seats are created from recyclable plastic and supported by straps. The drive-by-wire steering wheel folds down out of sight. The GAC Barchetta Concept is both an homage to Italy's rich automotive history and a glimpse into the future of transportation. It's a car that puts a premium on economy and ease of use without sacrificing good looks or driving pleasure. Future Concept Urban. Foreseeing the potential of cities in the face of global challenges and possibilities is the goal of Future Concept Urban. The ideal is for people to live in cities that are technologically advanced, environmentally friendly, and welcoming to all. This concept envisions cities where technology and data are used to improve residents' quality of life and address pressing social issues. It's a utopian ideal to live in a city that is ethnically and culturally varied, economically robust, and technologically advanced. Future Concept Urban is not a uniform plan, but rather a range of options that may be tailored to meet the specific requirements of each neighborhoods. Visionary architects, planners, and leaders throughout the world are working to make this a reality, so it's not some far-off fantasy. Hyundai Trailer Drone. The Hyundai Trailer Drone is an environmentally friendly and efficient mode of transportation. It is made up of two e-bogies, which are mobile platforms that can be fastened to the ends of a shipping container to provide propulsion. The trailer drone can turn on a dime and navigate tight areas thanks to the e-bogie's 4 steered wheels. Hydrogen fuel cells, which are used to power the e-bogies, convert water into energy with no emissions. With 0 emissions and minimal noise, the trailer drone can go up to 1,000 kilometers on a single battery. The trailer drone may establish a platoon with other trailer drones, improving both efficiency and safety on the road. The trailer drone is an adaptable and modular device that can accommodate a wide variety of shipping containers, both in terms of size and shape. Lunar Glass and Lunar Vehicle. The rich lunar regolith contains metal and glass particles that may be processed into a substance known as lunar glass. Habitats, solar panels, mirrors, and windows are just a few of the many applications for lunar glass. Lunar glass may also be used to make jewelry and other works of art that celebrate the moon's unique and varied aesthetic. Lunar glass is a representation of humanity's innovative spirit, turning the desolate landscape of the moon into something beautiful and worthwhile. Any vehicle that can traverse the lunar surface is considered a lunar vehicle. Electricity, hydrogen, or solar power can all be used to power lunar vehicles, which can then have varying degrees of autonomy and mobility. Lunar vehicles have several applications, including scientific research, freight transfer, and passenger transit. Rolls-Royce Vision. Next 100. The Rolls-Royce Vision. Next 100 is an artistic and technological tour de force, outlining the company's plans for the next century in the production of luxury automobiles. Your demands and wants are taken into account when you design this fully electric and self-driving automobile. There is no dashboard or driving wheel to be seen, just a plush and large couch where you may relax in magnificent style. Eleanor, your personal digital assistant, is on hand to accommodate your busy schedule, cater to your taste, and fulfill your every need. The exterior is sleek and futuristic, constructed of lightweight and sturdy materials with a waterfall-like lighting effect emanating from the characteristic grille. With its silken canopy open and proclaiming your arrival, you'll turn heads everywhere you go.